You see that battery? Oh, wow, that's why. I was smelling acid as I opened up the phone. Battery does have damage to it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are working on a Google Pixel 7a battery replacement. Should be an easy process, so let's get started. What we're gonna need here is a suction cup, a pick, just like this, razor blade. I like to use razor blades if you've been watching my videos by now, and a torque tool set, just like an iFixit tool set. For us to remove the back glass, for us to gain access to the battery, this does need to be hot. We're gonna put this on the heat plate for about a few minutes. So now that the phone is pretty hot, let's start put something soft underneath. Put a suction cup. We'll pull up while we're putting alcohol to lessen the adhesive to make it soft. You should start to see a small gap, and using this razor blade, insert the gap inside. I can push up with it just like so. So we'll just cut the adhesive. Be careful not to insert the pick too deep in. There is a flashlight cable attached, so you definitely want to be careful with that. I like to smell some acid in here. All right, that's the flashlight cable. You definitely want to be careful with right here. This one's already lifted up, which is a good sign. So what we're going to do here is we're going to remove all of these screws that you see along the frame, and then we'll pop this shield off. There's one cable right here underneath the wireless charger. We'll move it to the side, pop out the battery, install a new battery. Now that we've removed all the screws, this shell should come off relatively easy, just like so. The flashlight needs to go through the hole. That flashlight cable, be careful. So you just slide it in between the holes, just like that. This is the wireless charger and the back shell. This, I believe, is a T2. T2. Battery cables right here. Let's unplug. And now we can use this plastic piece to start cutting out the adhesive underneath the battery. Well, this plastic piece is supposedly supposed to help cut the adhesive underneath the battery. Well, maybe I'm just gonna pry up. Old battery is out. You can kind of tell it's a little swollen from the back. You can hear that, oh, right there. Look at that. You see that battery? Oh, wow, that's why. I was smelling acid as I opened up the phone. Battery does have damage to it. Okay. So now that we have the battery out, let's go ahead and remove this old adhesive. I have a battery replacement right here. So if you've been watching my other videos, at this point you would know to always plug in the battery first before dropping the battery into the frame of the device. So in this case, plug in battery first. Just like that. And then you hold the cable and you drop the battery in place. That's it. And now we just reassemble. The shield does drop underneath. There's a tiny ledge right there where I'm pointing with my. That kind of holds the shield in place. Let's drop this back in. I'll be right with you. Hey, what's going on? Long time no see.
I wanted to stop and thank you again for the work you did.
Oh no, it's a pleasure.
And how pleased I am with the way everything worked.
Oh, awesome. Happy to hear that. He's one of our customers that we've helped upgrade his computer. I think he had a problem on his computer a while ago, so happy customer. All right, where were we? We are just screwing back all these screws in place. If you followed up until this point in this video, like and subscribe, drop us a comment below. If you found this video helpful, definitely help out the channel here. And then let's push back the flashlight and make sure it's in place. Very good. This is the original back glass. We're going to put it back on the heating mat, make the adhesive soft again, and then we'll compress the phone once we're done. I'll put the back glass back on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and subscribe. It does help our channel immensely. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions or if you've done this before in the past. We'll see you guys on the next one.